In this video I'll share with you a clean way to keep the shadow of invisible objects in Unreal Engine 5. This technique can be useful if you don't want the body of the first-person character to be visible in the view, but this can also be used for the top-down view masking to keep the shadow of whatever you're masking out, or to optimize foliage by simplifying the shadow of the leaves. Welcome to Unreal Arc Wizard everyone, and let's dive in. Here I have an object in my scene. Let's say I want it to be invisible but still cast the shadow. I already set up my material to do exactly that, so I just apply it and it's done. Let's see how we can recreate that. Here I have a second object in my scene with the original materials applied. First, let's find this material by double-clicking on it. This will open up the material instance. In the details panel, scroll down to general and double-click on the parent. In this particular case, this is again a material instance. I am looking, however, for material master, so I'll double-click on the parent one more time. This is a master material of my mesh. First, I want to make the mesh invisible. For this, I go to details. Under material tab, I find blend mode and change it to mask. Now let's zoom in on opacity mask and change it to 0. Click save and come back to our object. As you can see, it's already invisible. If we change to wireframe, we will see it. But the problem is the shadow is gone. So let's see how we can bring that back. I will right click anywhere where it's empty in the material editor and search for shadow path switch. Now I'll need to add the 0 to the default value and 1 for the shadow. For this I will add 2 constants. You can find them also by searching for them, or alternatively you can hold 1 and left click anywhere on the canvas. This will also add a constant. For the default value I will add 0 because I want the object itself to be invisible. For the shadow I will enter 1 and connect it. Now take shadow path switch and connect it to the opacity mask. Now let's click save and we will see that the shadow was brought back and we have achieved the desired result. We can also convert those values to parameters and change it for different material instances. For example, let's see how we can bring back the legs. I'll select the constant, right click on it and convert to parameter. Name it and do the same with the second one and click save. Now when we create material instances of the master material or go back to the original material instances, in the details panel we will see the parameters we have added. I'll double click on the second material instance, this is this one, and I'll change the default opacity back to 1. So yeah, the legs were brought back. Can you guess which one of those 5 rocks is 1 million polygons and which one is 5,000? If not, check out this video of mine where I show you a very quick way to optimize meshes inside of Unreal Engine. Don't forget to subscribe and see you there. Ciao!